Greetings bodgers. Today we're going to put a new headset in this frame. Now as usual, completely unrehearsed, but let's see how we go. I'm going to use my new headset press that I've just got today. I think I'm going to do it from this side, so just seems a nicer height to start winding the thing up. So I need to wind it out so I've got something to pull the halves of the headset together with. I'll drop that on there. And insert that. The top half of the headset can sit in there. Seems about as close as I'm going to get. Seems like a long way off, but there we go. Okay. And we'll see how far we go. I'm going to get the line them up. Line up the logos like that. And as I wind it up, the bottom one's on. Pulling any more now. Right, bottom one's on anyway. Just got a couple more mil to go on here, so I'll back that one off. I'll have to drop this one down a bit further. See this top one now start to close up. Putting up a bit of resistance now, so I guess I'm there. It's a bit difficult, this one. There we go. Headset tool. Headset press. Down over there. Bottom bearing. And its sill. In. Helps you put the seal back on the right way up. That's that one. Top one's always easy, that just sits in there. There's a little ring, little compression ring. That's that. I've already put this part onto the forks, and I'm going to need some headset spacers for this. So this should be now perfectly aligned. I'm going to need 2 headset spacers, I reckon. 2 looks about right. 2 I'd say was perfect. And that, after I've done these up here, will be absolutely perfect. Smooth as anything. Beautiful. Job.